Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. We are starting with a live look right outside our KRGV studio. And it's courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco. And you see that the camera, it is shaking around out there. And that's because the winds have picked up so much. They are gusting anywhere from 32 up to 37 miles per hour this afternoon. Sustained wind speeds are mainly out of the south, anywhere between 12 and up to 25 miles per hour. So that's going to be the case for the rest of the day. Plus, we're warming up. Right now, we're at 82 degrees here in Weslaco. Let's take a look across the rest of the valley. It's a little bit warmer in McAllen at 85. It's 84 in Harlingen and right around 80 this afternoon in Brownsville. But you see the average wind speed out there, 26 miles per hour. So all those winds are bringing in a lot of very warm and moist air. So it's going to get a little bit hotter. Now, as you take a look over the next 7 hours, the wind speeds do begin to decline a little bit by 7, and I'm talking down to about 15 miles per hour. So it's still going to be rather breezy this evening and for most of the night. It's not until very late tonight where it actually will slow down a little bit more, but even so, the wind gusts could still be up near 20 miles per hour. High temperatures today will hit 90 degrees today in Rio Grande City and McAllen, upper 80s in the mid to lower valley. At the coast, it'll stay right around 83 degrees. And of course, there will be plenty of sunshine and gusty winds to go around, along with the mugginess. We're not getting rid of that just yet. We'll continue to pump in all of that moisture, courtesy of that south to southeast flow that we have right now. A lot of the rain, however, is leaving Texas with that upper level disturbance ahead of this next cold front that's currently just outside the Four Corners. But look at all the rain potential as it heads toward the east coast, and it'll actually stay pretty heightened this afternoon for the southeastern United States, with possible severe weather activity over the Mississippi Valley. But here's a look at future track. That cold front will eventually dip down into Texas tomorrow morning. Ahead of that, we could see some stormy weather in Dallas and Houston. Meanwhile, we're nice and quiet overnight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, late in the day, I think that's when we'll start to see maybe a shower or a thunderstorm. The reason for that cold front will be getting closer and closer. This is one, and by late in the day, we could actually get a thunderstorm going once the system gets close. But I think it'll just be in the upper valley at this point in time. It looks like Brownsville and the rest of the valley will catch up a little bit later on into the night. This is about 2 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday morning, and that's where we start to see some stormy weather. And it looks like this particular front could stall out or over the valley, or actually just south of the valley at this point in time. So it's one of those things that we're going to continue to watch. But what we do know is that it's going to be cloudy, and we will see some rain, especially by midweek. That's when the best chance for rain is. This is Future Track looking at 11 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, and you do see some light rain, thick cloud cover otherwise, and then here it comes in the afternoon and early evening hours is where we could see a little bit more scattered shower activity. There could be pockets of moderate rain at times too, so it's something to definitely watch, and you can do that. You can track all of the rain with our First Warn 5 Doppler network, and that is on our KRGV mobile app. Plus, we send you weather updates with your weather to go forecast to let you know when and where that rain could possibly end up and how long it's going to last. It's a very good app to have on hand. Definitely download it for your Android or your iPhone. It's free. You just search KRGV weather in the App Store. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We're going to be hot, breezy, and muggy with a shower possible late tomorrow, but we'll be in the upper 80s today and tomorrow. Look at midweek, however. Cloudy, showers, temperatures go down a little bit to more average-like weather for this time of year. Normally we're right around 78 and we'll be at 80, so still slightly above average, but still closer than where we have been. We'll be at 81 and 83 with a brief shower or two left over on Friday, and then as we head into the weekend, we start to taper off the rain chances and the heat returns. We'll be back to the upper 80s. Don't forget, before you go to bed Sunday, that you need to set your clock ahead 1 hour. That's right. It's time to spring forward 1 hour as daytime savings comes to an end at 2 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. So remember, ahead 1 hour, not behind. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.